Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 now launching from the Xbox app slash Microsoft Store PC fix and on Steam as well. So if you do have it on Steam, which most of you guys most likely will have it on Steam, what I recommend you guys doing is right click on the Steam tab, icon on your desktop, go to Properties, and then you're going to go over to the Compatibility tab. From here, you're going to click on Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and you're also going to check the Run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and do that, hit Apply and then hit OK, and then go ahead and open up Steam. Once you open up Steam and you go to Library, and then you go over to Call of Duty, it will work perfectly fine, and there will be no issues at all. Another thing I do recommend you guys doing, which is very simple, is simply just restart your PC, because once you do restart your PC, this is honestly like the most simplest fix, and a lot of people like overlook this, but just go ahead and just restart your PC, and that might also fix the issue. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.